Hey guys, we're out here at Silver Lake. It is the middle of January and absolutely freezing here. It's ridiculous. I thought you guys were not going to send us this cold weather, but it's like 30 degrees out. Your house is coming along beautifully. They are moving really quickly, trying to get everything that they can done and closed up before our spring rainy season hits. So walls are framed up. They've got electrical well underway. No light switches and that kind of thing, but most of the wiring is run. Air conditioned ducts are in place. You can see a lot of the bracketing and hurricane strapping has been put on already. There's still some of that I think they've got to work on. Remember, this is a construction site. Out here in the garage, again, you've got most of the electrical run. See a board that had to be replaced there. Truss brackets are in. Got your gap for your ridge vent. And see these giant anchor bolts we put in place here. That's part of your fortified process. Keep you protected from the hurricanes. They don't have the gas drops in yet, but a lot of the plumbing drops have come in. That is definitely something they're still working on. You can see the plumbing pipes on the ground and kind of roughed in here and there. I think you guys are going to love this view. Coming out on your little lanai, there's your pond view. It's gorgeous. They kept a ton of the trees like we wanted them to. John's out here kicking things, so my video sounds weird. Your bedroom is inside, obviously, but right here. So here's the view from your bedroom windows. So they still have to shingle, but you've got your tape in place and everything so that your zip system is secure. Keep you as fortified as possible in the event of a hurricane. There's not really much else to see right now, but it is moving so quick. Progress is great. Your view looks amazing. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll come out and check out some other things for you.